Hi, it's Julie. Welcome back to my channel. I am Scrappin' Happy. This is my February design team project for Nevermore Creations 17, Lindsay Zenora. I am absolutely in love with this. It's called Light the Way, and it is a gift for a friend of mine. It is 8.5 by 5.5. It's got 60 pages. And this is just a page out of the kit, the cover is. But I love how she, it's got, I added the brads because it had holes on the ends for the brads. And I love the patina of this. It's just gorgeous. Anyway, it's as always, one of my favorites. It is a hardcover, chipboard cover on the outside, covered by paper, and then a piece of cardstock on the inside. In the center has Tyvek, as always. I want to make sure my stuff doesn't fall apart. And here is a huge pocket, and I made a little book, just a little booklet for, notes or whatever. Little fabric ribbon. And some of these cards, I put scripture on the back, not all of them, but this kit just really spoke to me, the name Light the Way, and then all of the pictures of lamps and candles and lanterns. It just reminded me of that verse. See, I even printed it up somewhere back here, about your word is a lamp to guide my feet and a light for my path. Of course, I grew up with a different version. I grew up with the King James Version, so it didn't sound quite like that. But so anyway, I put a lot of verses about the light or the lamp or, whatever for my friend. I really thought she would like it. Anyway, the backgrounds of the papers are from Avalon Rose. It's called the Big Deal collection or whatever, but I love it. I use it a lot. It's just got gorgeous backgrounds and lots of choices. Here's one I loved. There's a lamppost, but way in the back you can see, in the fog, you can see more lampposts. And I just really, I just love this. Here's an envelope that came in the kit, and put a heart, lock, and a cross. I was looking for a sunshine or something like that, but I didn't have any. I love this. Isn't that pretty? And my friend and I are both old enough. We grew up with the old hymns, and so I picked a couple of them out and put in here. I thought she'd enjoy that. I love this. Lock. And this is just one of the pages cut up and put on cardstock for some journaling tags. There's a lot of lanterns of ephemera, I guess, pieces. There's another verse. Anyway, there's a lot of lanterns in here, and I just love that, and lamps, and it's, I don't know. But it also doesn't have to be a spiritual or a scriptural book at all, like the lamps and all. It could be something else altogether. But it's just kind of how it struck me. I'm not sure if you can tell, but I went in with the glitter glue on these lights across the top, and well, I can't see it in the camera, but maybe you, maybe. Anyway, and here's how it looks without the brads. I just love this page. And there's a few cards from, pretty sure I got this from TLC Creates Vintage. Pretty sure. And then here's another, just a piece of the page cut up to make more cards. I love this. She's an artist too, so she could, I'm sure she'll color that somehow. A little bitty book. And some copy dyed paper. Just some fabric onto some cardstock, and then the back has some stenciled, oh, good grief, graph paper. And I really liked this. Not sure if you're, the lighting today is, it's kind of gloomy outside, so I'm not sure how well this is going to come across, but this is the back side of that page that had the really cool lock on it. Yeah, I'm never going to find it. Anyway, I had a little lock and a key that I thought would go well with that. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. I love that. Of course, we sang that tons when we were kids, and taught it to my kids. And then this card came from TLC Creates Vintage as well. And this is an envelope, and it's got I made a pocket, on the back, and then over here on the side, a little pocket. So I just folded it up part of the way. I'm not sure if you can tell where it stops, but I just folded it up part of the way. So I have a short pocket on the side, and then a big pocket on the back. A little ticket came in the kit. You can see there's a lantern. And then this Light the Way came in the kit, of course. And then a couple of little tags. These, I'm pretty sure, are also TLC Creates Vintage. This little, is that a coin envelope? I'm not sure. Anyway, I got two of them in here. And then I love this. The kids dancing with their lanterns. Let's see. Yeah, and I put a little verse on the back. And this is just a an envelope with paper in it, and then some fabric glued in, so it's pretty when you look in the window. And that is it. Anyway, I'm sure my friend will love it. She's very gracious. So I'm sure she'll love it. But anyway, that is my February design team project for Lindsay Zenor, Nevermore Creation 17, called Light the Way. Thanks for watching.